Antigravity XP1 Micro Start, Jumps of V8, Personal Battery Jump Starter and Charger, Mini Portable Backup Power Supply, Phone and Laptop Charger, Flashlight S.O.S with full anti-gravity warranty. Redesigned with more power. Will start a V8 with ease. The difference between the XP3 and XP1 is more capacity, a port to use the tire inflator, and a port to charge your laptop. Charges a smartphone in 30 to 60 minutes several times. Now with 2 USB ports, 4 power ports, 19V for laptops, 0.12V standard output for all 12V accessories. 2. USB 5V for charging or powering any 5V USB device. Comes in a convenient carrying case with all of the required adapters. Built-in high-powered LED light with preset flash patterns including S.O.S. Built-in overcharge and over-discharge protection to avoid harming your battery. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.